Should we take these?
Fuck. Bro, let's go.
Bro, just take the whole thing.
Should we take anything?
Take the whole garage.
Yeah, just take bring it in the garage. Bro, this is a vlog, bro. It already started.
We're already started, dude.
It already
pick up all this.
It already started, bro.
Well, now we need
Bro.
to bring the box.
The box? Alright. What's up, Center?
Didn't you say you were bringing that?
Bro, help him out, bro.
Yeah, that's my
The car parts.
that shit, bro.
Jeez.
Where we putting that shit? Right here?
Bro, just put that shit on the floor.
Alright, we'll move this.
Bro, move all the
Move the gato,
things.
move the water.
Get off me.
Bro, you said get you, bro.
Alright, ready?
Bro, spot him.
Get the stands. Yeah.
Spot him, bro. Go get the stands, Weechel.
Get recording.
Go,
You're bad.
bro. Go get the stands, bro. We're getting the angles. Dragging up the whip. Got that food, that, bro. He doesn't do anything to help.
Oh my god, we chill. Hurry up. Oh. God, bro.
Oh, this fool broke that shit already. Then he brought a white shirt. He brought a white shirt to work on the car. Put it in the hole.
No, not like that. Not exciting.
Okay,
Put it in the hole.
it is in the hole.
Bro, you suck ass at putting it in.
That's a hole, bro.
Is it gonna be in?
Bro, look at has not worked a car in his life, bro.
Hell no.
Right there is good.
That's good, bro. Drop that shit.
That's what I did.
Drop it, bro. Oh my god.
I'm tightening it.
Put it the wrong way. That shit's not going down, bro. Unbox that motherfucker, bro. This fool, you saw how he did this shit? This fool don't even know where to start.
How you gonna do it?
Bro, just rip the box.
Facts, bro. Yeah, from right here, bro.
Yeah. Slice that bitch open. Bro, he cuts the exhaust. Rip it open, bro.
This shit not working.
Bro.
Hey, yo, they put
That-
all this
Right here, G.
Yeah, cut the.
Cut the shiny, whatever that shit is. Yeah.
Oh, that shit's sharp.
It has cushioning right now.
Yeah. Gotta get it open. Bro, just skip that part, bro. It'll rip off. That shit will rip off anyway. Rip it.
Bro, this shit's hard as fuck.
Bro, you can't do unboxing with this guy, bro. My knife is all dull now, bro.
Sharpen that bitch.
I know.
Nice.
Open this bitch. Oh, I got fucking staple. There you go.
Alright, bro.
Pull it out, bro. There you go. Well, let's see it, bro. Let's see it. New shiny, bro. It's bigger than I thought. Pause. Pause, bro. Bro, let me see that thing, bro. Damn. Should look better than my exhaust. Bro, just set that shit on this. We out here. Bro. Just get it loose, bro.
We gotta hold it. Someone has to hold it from the other side, huh?
We'll put Weecho, I guess.
I'll go down.
What am I getting?
Look at myself 33.
Oh, Benny was here.
Look at this. It fits right here. Look at this joint.
So it's on the exhaust, right?
Look at that. We're gonna put it in here, huh? This thing.
Oh, yeah. I fit over here.
This one of the stands.
Oh, you could put just something like.
Yeah, like one of those brick things that we have right there.
So this is what it's gonna come out, right? This right here.
Yeah.
Get a cinder block, I guess.
Yeah, we should get the cinder block.
The white box, take out everything from
Yeah.
Go for it, go for it.
Yeah, just take that shit out.
You guys are dumb, honestly.
Bro, and you? Easy money. Yo,
Easy money.
I'm gonna keep that in this case, yeah.
Keep it in. Oh shit!
Damn.
Oh, damn paint. Yeah, gone.
Damn. Did you take it off?
That's just a thing.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Like this, right? Or is it?
Oh, fuck my mask, man. So you need this bolt? The other one's from there, the bottom.
Were the gaskets like this or like this?
No.
This, you know?
Put it in there. Official. Was it in there or what?
It was... Bro.
What is this, bro? Bro, oh my god, this guy was kicking my fucking head, bro. Sir.
Bro, this guy said slay under the car, bro. I heard Rachel say yes.
I'm gonna take a nap on the jag, bro. Bro, hold this shit.
Yeah, bro. Bro, we're uploading today, bro. Alright, so this all kind of got difficult, so we're gonna start it off tomorrow. Guys, it's been a month.
Oh my.
Hey, I think you have to run your car no exhaust, bro. For a while.
Turn that shit on right now.
I'm gonna exhaust, delete.
Then you'll be like, bro. My exhaust was not this hard, bro.
Bro, my wrist hurts, bro.
This is what we should do with the whole exhaust with his knuckles, bro. Yeah, Rachel Superman.
We took it over your phone.
Bro, just drop the fucking exhaust there, bro. Just drop that shit on your stomach.
I'm trying to search this shit out.
Bro, you're saying to go over there with you.
I didn't mean it.
Yo, you turn so red.
This was holding up an exhaust and he's turning red, bro. Bro, get the BBS wheels, bro.
The BBS. The BBS.
Hey, they smell new, huh?
Showing you how it sounds.
Oh, those are yours.
Who's smelling my shoes, bro? That's strange for that, bro. Bro, let me see these laces, bro.
Hey, nah, bro, these are new. Like,
Let me see them laces.
they old. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Hey, oh.
They're a day old. Premiere.
Bro, what are you doing?
Make sure this shit's secure.
See, now you gotta.
What is that? You know that guy on TikTok that just starts saying it? And then he starts fucking. Why are your nips hard? Hey, yo!
I'm cold, no cap. I didn't even cap
Nipples are
no
hard,
cap.
bro.
Bro, get to the bottom of this, bro.
Bro, let's just put.
Bro, get up and get to work. Go help him out.
Chat was up with the whole time. Hey,
Those are having a little trouble right now.
honestly, this show, this dumbass Nick on day.
This guy's not looking at Chris Fix's videos.
Check Chris Fix's video. He doesn't have my
Bro, why is that girl on Basil's shirt like she's pulling her panties out of her boots or something?
Oh, hell no, we're gonna get
Oh,
copyright.
no, no, we're gonna get demonetized.
Bro, we're not even monetized.
You guys trying to get us canceled already?
We're 6 hours in. The sun's starting to set. The sun's starting to set already. We gotta figure this out. We gotta bring Papa Pips. Papa Pips.
Yeah, bro, we're 2 days in. I'm trying to put on the exhaust.
¿No? ¿Ninguno es? Creo que ese es el que está. Venir el otro por el otro lado. Sí, por eso aquí tenemos uno. Oh, ¿sí tenemos uno? Sí.
Exhaust leak on this bit.
Vamos a salir volando.
Sí, ¿verdad?
¿No le queda ahí en la donde apretaron? That shit ain't even leaking.
Damn.
A ver, acelérale. Acelérale. Con la mano.
Bro, why does it sound like a Z, bro?
all the way sideways. All right, so we're getting somewhere now.
Yeah, we are.
After all this time. Oh! Brought the big guns out. This fool's eating slices. This fool over here, I don't know where mom is. Bro, stop eating, bro. Come work on the car with us, bro. Where's your hands? Where's your hands, bro? Damn, you bring your car guy.
I was literally gonna come out, bro.
Bro, let's go. Oh, shit. Looking right, looking right. Surround. See that? Bro, I think it's done, bro. That sounds good. Yeah. Damn, that just sounds mean. Alright, bro. What do you gotta say, Daniel? What do you gotta say, bro? After you did nothing.
E36?
That shit was clean. Bro, drive it out of here.
Hit the gas.
That sounds deep. Hey, gas ain't cheap. Damn. Damn, first drive. Bro, rev it? That sounds pretty good, bro. Bro, sounds pretty good, bro.
Bro, this thing doesn't have a silencer, bro.
That sounds good. Yeah, so we just finished the exhaust install. Came to munch out at Kane's. Got this fool's VTEC car.
Got the Austin button.
Got the whip over here. Got Huicho, Daniel, Jose with the new exhaust. We're about to munch out right now. Bro. Bro, this shit looks remarkable.
Fuck!
Bro, chill out with that, bro. Why is our lemonade green though? Here. Alright, so this is the end of the day. We finished our canes.
You already know.
Bro. Huicho, Daniel doesn't even want to be in the video, bro.
You'll get the tips.
Oh yeah, so this is the exhaust install. Finish? It's finished. It's finished.
Exhaust leak.
Oh, that's just exhaust leaking, bro.
Where?
Oh,
Stop scaring me.
damn. Who's over there revving and shit, bro? Who is that? Oh, it's Mustang.
Old ass Mustang.
So yeah, we're out of here. We leaving. This is the end of the day. Bye.